Hello, Diamond Divas. This is Melanie, and I am here. And if I sound excited and like obnoxious, it's because I am. I just got a shipment in from Diamond Art Club, and I haven't placed an order in a while, but this one was incredible. I had a $50 coupon to spend from my rewards points. I had accumulated them for quite a while, and so this is what I got. It was $34.99, which was really not bad at all. And I'm sorry, $44.99. And it is called Santa Face. Now, I have never gotten a Santa one, but I framed a Santa diamond painting at work one day. I did a custom frame for a customer, and it was fabulous. And I think it was a diamond dots piece. But either way, ever since then, I've been obsessed with finding just the right Santa diamond painting. And I think I found it. So this was released last weekend. Today is Saturday. They released this on Saturday. If you are a VIP rewards member, you get special early release for any of the new releases. On Monday is when everybody else gets those releases. So I had seen it and I was already obsessed with it, but it ended up about Tuesday, I finally decided, or Wednesday, to just pull the trigger and use my $50 gift card or gift certificate and get this. So that's what I did. I got it today. So from Tuesday to Saturday, I've already received my order. I actually got another piece that I'll show you on another video. But for now, we're gonna talk a little bit about this Christmas one. Look at the Christmas yumminess in these drills. Super exciting, super festive, super Christmassy. It will not be complete till probably 6 Christmases from now, but in the meantime, I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm just kidding. It is a round drill. So, you know, round drills take less time than a square drill piece, and it is large. So it is 20 by 28 inches. Or 51 by 71 centimeters. Now, I do love the fact that they're finally putting the inches on the box, because before I was like, it's 51 by 71 centimeters, and I'll have to tell you what that is in the description. But that is a 20 by 28 inch piece. That's huge. Well, as I say, hugacious, which means very large. So let's open this up. Let's take a look at our gorgeous canvas. And I might open these and kind of peruse some of these colors that are down inside. But we'll do that in just a minute. Oh, let's see what they've got in the toolbox. Make sure they didn't send us anything new. It looks like it's the same old stuff we usually get. I'm okay with that. They have really great tools. And let's move on to the canvas. Okay, so I have it all rolled out. This thing is really large, you guys. 28 inches. Doesn't sound very big until you roll it out and it fits across almost your entire kitchen table. And then you realize, that is pretty large. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my phone off of the mount, and I'm going to use the phone and show you a little bit of a closer version of this. I don't feel like you're getting the true colors from that angle. Plus it's a rainy, nasty day out. It's kind of overcast, which means my lighting is not 100% beautiful. So I'm gonna just hold the camera, which I hate to do because I'm shaky as heck, and give you kind of a close-up. Okay, so let's take a closer look. This is our piece. And then we've got our 40 fabulous, Christmassy, holiday, Santa Claus-ish colors in a very clear schematic, as always. Perfect. You see that little extra sparkle in the canvas, which is always lovely. Now I'm going to show you the codes just up close so you can see how clear they are to read. This is a Diamond Art Club piece, and I probably said that already, but you know how flippin' incredible these things are. So that's going to be some bright, yummy redness right there. And then we're gonna get into some greens and get a little closer here. My shadow's cutting in on our colors, but you get the point. Fabulous. He's so beautiful. Well, I have 4 kids and I have 3 grandkids. So, you know, I'm like a kid at heart anyway. So Santa is just gonna be a fun thing to have around. He is so large, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna frame him. I might have to put him on some like foam board or something and just mount him up at Christmas. Okay, so you know the schematic is on both sides. Here's the schematic on the right side. We have our clear protective paper, which is one of my fave things. And of course, our very velvety canvas. It's fabulous. It just feels great. Now I'm gonna open these drills and I'm just gonna kind of show you a little bit. Let me get my light back over here. I'm trying to keep it from glaring off the plastic, but I need it to be able to see these colors. I'm gonna open this up, if you will just hang on a minute, and we will kind of just take a look at some of the colors. Okay, so I have laid these out. Now I'm gonna be taking my light and kind of hold my light over. I wish it wasn't so overcast today. Beautiful burgundies. We've got our shades of gray. Here is our aurora borealis color, which is a sparkly white with a little bit of extra glitter attached to each of the drills. What this does is just creates an extra pop of color. Let's see what number that one is. So that one is 141. 141 is all the ones. So all of these are gonna have that extra sparkle. So his hat, his beard, oh, that's gonna be amazing. Okay, excuse me. So this is kind of a deep plum. You go into your bright Christmas reds here, your Christmas green, tans, whites, teals, more reds. Ooh, those reds are yummy. A little bit of the neutrals, some more grays, some more reds. So we're gonna have lots of shades of red. That's great because what that does is gonna give us a lot of depth in our piece, which is fabulous because the more you have variation and gradients of one particular color, the more depth you get and more realism that you get in your piece. Okay, so here is a hot pink. Boy, these colors are showing up totally different in person than they are on my camera. But I mean, that is like a super hot pink, like a fuchsia. It is gorgeous. Then you've got some other pinks, excuse me, some skin tone, flesh tones, a limey green over here, really bright greens. And then you've got an aqua, a purple, which is incredible, and then a lighter, whoops, sorry. And then a lighter pink. You guys, guess what I'm starting today? Because it is rainy, nasty, and I don't want to go anywhere. So we are going to start this bad boy today. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit with another one that I got today. And I appreciate you coming by, stopping by my channel. I hope you guys will subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to come back for future videos. Have a wonderful day. Thank you as always for watching.